another synovial joint is the saddle joint. In a saddle synovial joint, what we see is the ends of the bones in the articulation resembling horse riding saddles. And we find the saddle synovial joint between the thumb and the trapezium, the carpal bone trapezium, because the trapezium is always under the thumb. And this saddle joint arrangement is what allows our thumb to easily touch all the other fingertips. And a joint between the trapezium carpal bone and the metacarpal is called carpo-metacarpal joint. And the movement that we find in the saddle synovial joint is the same movements we found in the condyloid joint, which is flexion and extension, abduction and adduction. Consequently, the type of movement we find in a saddle synovial joint is biaxial, which means that the saddle synovial joint falls into the biaxial joints category.